What would you do if UFOs invaded the world today? Would you know how to survive? Or would you be left scrambling, unprepared for the alien invasion? In the next 7 minutes, we will walk through a series of survival tips that could potentially save your life and your loved ones in the event of an extraterrestrial invasion. Tip 1. Stay informed. Knowledge is power, especially in survival scenarios. Keep up with news and updates. The more you know about the invaders and their technology, the better you can plan your survival strategy. Tip 2. Find shelter. The first step in survival is finding a safe place. Underground shelters are the most ideal since they offer protection from airborne threats. Remember, your shelter should be stocked with essential supplies like food, water, and medical kits. Tip 3. Stock up on supplies. Non-perishable foods, clean water, first aid kits, and basic tools should be your priority. Also, don't forget battery-powered or hand-crank radios to stay updated on the situation. Tip 4. Learn basic first aid. In an invasion scenario, medical help may not be readily available. Knowing how to treat wounds, burns, and other injuries can make a significant difference in a survival situation. Tip 5. Stay stealthy. Avoid attracting attention to yourself or your shelter. The less attention you draw, the better your chances of survival. Tip 6. Form alliances. There is strength in numbers. Forming alliances with other survivors can increase your chances of survival. Tip 7. Prepare for defense. While peaceful contact is always the hope, it's wise to prepare for the worst. Learn basic self-defense techniques and, if possible, have some form of weapon at your disposal. Tip 8. Stay physically and mentally fit. Survival isn't just about physical toughness, it's also about mental resilience. Regular exercise and stress management techniques can help you stay fit for survival. Tip 9. Keep a survival kit. Alongside food and water, your survival kit should include items like a multi-tool, flashlight, fire starter, maps, and a whistle. Tip 10. Plan your escape. If things get too dangerous, have a plan for leaving your current location. Whether it's on foot or by vehicle, know your escape routes. In conclusion, facing an alien invasion would undoubtedly be a daunting experience, but with the right preparation, survival is possible. Remember these key points: stay informed, find shelter, stock up on supplies, learn basic first aid, stay stealthy, form alliances, prepare for defense, stay physically and mentally fit, keep a survival kit, and plan your escape. In the face of the unknown, these steps could mean the difference between life and death. So, equip yourself with the knowledge and tools necessary to survive an alien invasion. Your survival may depend on it.